Okay, I've already launched the SS, and I'm just gonna create a new table from scratch. Alright, so let's say we just call this test, and maybe a name. Alright, so this is the data type. Let's say we give it a long. Alright, because some name can be long, and date of birth and date time. Alright, so everyone know how to create fields as well as data type. Alright, but well, we already know that if we allow garbage to go into our databases, alright, very soon we are going to have a lot of garbage, right, coming out as output. So that is why not only does the validation becomes the job of the developers, programmers, system analysts, and so forth, but the database administrator, the DBA, have to also take care about this. Right. So the database, right, in this case we're using a simple SS database, have validation. All right, down here. Okay, it has all this validation down here. So, well, everyone will have a name in the company. So I will say yes, it's a required field. Can I have zero length? Well, I have not come across a person with zero length name, so I will say no. Okay, so all right, let's give it a test. Okay, save. All right. So let's say I don't key in anything for the name, all right, and maybe I just set as today's date, and I will hit enter. Oh, it has to enter a value because it's required. So you have a very simple validation. All right, so I can't proceed. Okay, doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm not going to proceed. I'll just go back to my design view, all right, and look at date of birth, which also have its validation rules. All right, so let's have a look at this little more button. A little bit more complex because it has a lot of built-in functions. All right, constraints, okay, operator, and so forth. So, well, let's play around with this. Okay, let's say I am looking at, all right, it has to be smaller, all right, or equal to today. All right, so it has to be smaller or equal to today because you can't be born in the future. Well, you can be born today, but you can't be born in the future. You can be born only in the past. All right, let's go back again, save. So let's say lim, all right, and for the date, can I be born in the future? Well, today is the 3rd, okay, all right, just to let you know. So can I be born in the future? Let's try. Oh, okay. It tells me that it has to be smaller equal than now. All right. Okay. Let's try this again. Can I be born today? Oh, it allows that. Okay. Let's try another one. All right. What if I'm born yesterday? Okay, this is allowed. All right. So very simple. Okay, you can create some validation rules to safeguard the data. All right. Of course, you can't check for everything. So there are certain things that is almost impossible to validate inside a database. But a lot of it can be done. So just put an additional validation process to help, all right, protect your database.